ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಏನು ಸಮಾಚಾರ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? So in the last video we had covered few important keywords like time of a day, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಸಂಜೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ. Okay, so today we'll cover all like W questions like what, where, who, when. Okay, so like how we call it as W questions in Kannada, they all start with year. Okay, so what is ಏನು? Okay, then where is ಎಲ್ಲಿ? who is ಯಾರು? why is ಯಾಕೆ? then which, you can say ಯಾವುದು. then whom is ಯಾರಿಗೆ. Okay, so these are certain things. So like just want to say in some sentences, who came, so you can say ಯಾರು ಬಂದರು. Okay, then if somebody says when you ask you how are you, that is called ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. then if they say ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, or that means that's not good, they are not good, then you can ask ಯಾಕೆ, ಏನಾಯಿತು. that means why, what happened to you, so that you can ask. so ಯಾಕೆ is why. then if somebody is asking you ಬರ್ತೀರಾ means will you come, then you can say ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ means where. Okay, so these are some things. so one important applications wise, we can say most of the places you cannot book Uber, Ola or anything. so in such cases you are afraid to go in auto because you don't know the language. so you can just, whenever you are standing there, and you can just wave your hand, and when the auto wala or cab wala stops, then you can say Anna or sir, like whichever stop you want. Say you want to ask him whether he will come to MG Road, so you can say Anna MG Road ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. that means will you come to MG Road. then he said who ಬರ್ತೀನಿ madam means yes madam or sir. if he says yes, then you can say ಎಷ್ಟು means how much you are going to charge. ಎಷ್ಟು is how much. so then if he says 150 whatever, then they can negotiate. so anyways, you need not worry about these numbers, big numbers, because everybody talks now 50, 100 like that. so that's how the simple case would be Anna MG Road ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. then next, after his reply, then you can ask ಎಷ್ಟು. so if you are okay with the price, I say okay ಆಯಿತು ಹೋಗೋಣ, you can say. that means yes, we can go. Thank you.